Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna install a Password JDM 4-point strut bar in the rear. So as you can see, I already have some of the tools out. First off, you're gonna need the strut bar, some tape to draw the lines, and I think this is a jigsaw. It's not a jigsaw, but it like vibrates. I forgot what it's called, but I'll have the name in the description. You're gonna need a, I think this is what is it, 17 millimeter and 14 millimeter and a ratchet. So I'm pretty sure that's all the tools you need. I'm not sure if I have to lift the car. I don't think you have to, because I'm watching other people on YouTube and they don't lift the car. So I don't know, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, so let's get started, I guess. So yeah, I'm doing a voiceover of a time lapse of the video. I think it's better, it's easier to record audio, that way there's no sound distortion because of the wind or tools or whatever. So what I'm doing here is I'm taping it off with blue painter's tape, just to see, just trying to line it up correctly. On the left side I did okay, on the right side I think I was a little too short. So yeah, this tool that I'm using is called an oscillating saw. It's not the spinning blading saw. I like this one better actually than the spinning blading saw. It just vibrates back and forth and it cuts whatever, and it cuts it in a smooth line, and you can see it's actually a pretty safe tool to use. You don't have to be super careful with it. The other one, you kind of have to watch your hand, right? If you're gonna cut, and you always cut like overboard. Anyways, when I use the rotating saw. So here there's like some sort of type of like insulation. I think it's like fiberglass or something. It has metal or something. It has flakes flying around. It's not fiberglass, because fiberglass is fiberglass, and that sticks to your skin. It's really irritating. This is like metallic or something. I don't know. It was really weird. I hope it's not like asbestos or something. I don't know, something toxic or something. So yeah, I cut that one side out, and then I did the other side, and you can see already that one side is shorter than the other. So yeah, here I'm just trying to fit it, and you can see that it's not fitting very well. It's hitting on the right side more, and on the left side, the hole is perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna remove the screws with a 14 millimeter socket. Right now the vehicle is sitting on the ground, but to install the brace, you do need to have the vehicle lifted off the ground. So I actually went to my truck and got my little, I was gonna say forklift. It's not a forklift, it's a jack, I guess. Yeah, I got a little, I couldn't reach the bolt with my socket, so I went and got a wrench, a 14 millimeter wrench. Yeah, so I took that bolt out, and I took the bolt on the right out. Yeah, I made sure to wipe it down a little bit and clean it. So I was like, oh well, if I have the tissue here, I might as well just clean it out. So it was really dusty, so I just kind of like took a rag and wet it a little bit and kind of swept, and then had my vacuum cleaner there just to, get whatever's flying around or whatever. So yeah, in the corner there, in the bottom, at the bottom of the video, you can see two 17mm bolts, and that's what you're going to be bolting the other side in. So there's going to be, yeah, so I removed that, you know, just set it aside. And here I'm going to test it again, and then again I realize, wait, did I make this cut yet? I don't remember if I made the cut. So here I'm going in for a test fit, and I realize that on the right side the hole's a little too small. So I'm going to go in and I'll use the oscillator again to cut it. Yeah, the insulation, dude. Anytime you mess with it, you know, it throws all this metallic dust. It's so weird. I don't know what it's called, but it's kind of itchy. So I just removed it. I just yanked it out. I yanked it out on the left side too. I didn't show that. So yeah, everything went in pretty smoothly. I had to raise the vehicle a little bit, so, you know, so that way I can slide in a little bit better. You can see me trying to yank and pull, but it doesn't go. So I went to my truck and I got my my jack and raised the vehicle up just a little bit so that I can slide it in. So now that I have everything in, I'm just tightening everything down as tight as I can, hand tighten. I'm not sure if there's a torque number or whatever I'm supposed to be at, how many pounds of torque or whatever. I think I would have, maybe in the future when I install the X brace, I'm probably just going to remove everything. I'm just going to remove, I want to remove all the panels so that I can put in a roll cage also. But I guess you don't need to remove all the panels, but I'm going to do it anyways. I like that cage look, or at least theoretically I think I like it. I don't know, maybe I'll put it in, I'll get tired of it. It is done. Cut a big old hole. Check. I think I cut it too big, but if I didn't cut it big enough, it would have been pretty hard to get the thing in there. Maybe I could have cut it like a little bit shorter, like here, but then it'll be really hard to squeeze that in there. I'm probably gonna like get, I don't have a file to clean this up, but I'll get a file and I'll clean it up. I removed whatever insulation, this was stuck in there, I can't get it out, but I removed it on that side. Yeah, pretty straightforward, and I'm actually really surprised at how smoothly it went. I've tucked the carpet, a really bad carpet, I need to buy another one. Underneath, got rid of the spare. Thinking about just making like a board or something, removing the back seats and just making like a flat board that just flattens it all out. So then, you know, maybe you can store stuff without it being weird. But yeah, pretty much. Oh, one thing. I'll do it like kind of different. Just kind of put it right here maybe. Most people want to put it in the middle. Actually, I'll put it here. Or I'll put it here. I will do that. Yeah. Cool, cool. Nice. There you go. Whew, a lot more work to do. So that's, yeah. But anyways, thank you for watching. I'm going to take this for a little test drive. Have some driving footage, and then so let's do that. Huh?
squeak still, but we're working out the kinks. If I get pulled over, we'll make it into some content. I always get pulled over. Oh no, yes, no, yes. I got pulled over while I was in Irvine, so that's gonna be fun. Transmission is shit, dude. Oh my god, transmission is shit.
I'm looking at Barry King. What can I get for you?
Yeah, hi. How much is a Whopper with cheese?
You got to the EG.
Oh, this EK. It has a Type R engine. I just finished doing a tune on it, so that's why I'm driving around. Like I just put a rear strut bar. You can see it's a rear strut bar. So I'm still like tuning, still working on it. But yeah, you have one too or what?
I have a 05 Honda Accord.
Oh, nice, nice. K20. Nice, nice. I wouldn't drop one in here, but they're expensive.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Dude, that'll be cool. Can't wait to see it, man. Yeah, have a good one.
Yeah, so hey, it's the next day, and I test drove the car with the new brace in, and I have to admit, I made some comments about it in the video, but like how stiff it was and how it was like when I was taking the corners like at a really sharp or at a really high speed, it was sliding. The back end was sliding. It was really cool actually. It felt almost like it felt like I was pulling the e-brake, but I wasn't, and I was just sliding, and I thought that was really, really cool. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll be back again soon.